Sublimation printers are designed to create vibrant, long-lasting custom prints on items like shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Using heat and special ink, they transfer designs directly onto surfaces, making them popular for both hobby and small business use. Starting at number 1. Canon Selphy CP1300. The Canon Selphy CP1300 wireless compact photo printer is a portable and user-friendly device designed for high-quality instant photo printing. Featuring wireless connectivity, it supports AirPrint and Mopria, allowing you to print directly from smartphones, tablets, and other compatible devices without needing a computer. Using dye sublimation technology, it produces vibrant, long-lasting photos with a professional finish that are also water-resistant and durable. The compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for home use, events, or travel, while the built-in tilting LCD screen ensures easy navigation and operation. Finished in a sleek black design, the Selphy CP1300 is perfect for anyone looking to print sharp, lab-quality photos anytime, anywhere. Number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 9025. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 all-in-one wireless printer is a powerful and efficient solution designed for modern home offices and small businesses. This versatile printer offers print, scan, copy, and fax capabilities, along with fast performance and high-quality output for both documents and graphics. Its single-pass automatic document feeder enables quick double-sided scanning and copying, while dual paper trays increase capacity and reduce the need for frequent refills. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily print from smartphones, tablets, and laptops, and it also supports voice control through Alexa for added convenience. The printer works with HP's Instant Ink subscription service, helping you save on ink and avoid running out unexpectedly. Featuring a sleek, professional design, the OfficeJet Pro 9025 is ideal for boosting productivity and streamlining everyday office tasks. Number 3. Workforce WF77 The Epson Workforce WF77 wireless wide format color inkjet printer is a versatile all-in-one solution designed for users who need high-quality, large-format printing up to 13 or 19s. It offers print, scan, copy, and fax functionality, making it ideal for home offices, small businesses, and creative professionals. With wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi Direct, and Ethernet support, you can easily print from a variety of devices without hassle. The printer delivers sharp text and vibrant color output using precision core technology, while its large paper capacity and automatic two-sided printing help boost productivity. It also supports Amazon Dash replenishment, which can automatically reorder ink when levels run low. Combining wide format capability with reliable performance, the WF7710 is a practical choice for handling everything from everyday documents to detailed graphics and presentations. Number 4. Brother MFC J995DW. The Brother MFC J995DW Incavescent Tank Color Inkjet All-in-One Printer is a cost-efficient and reliable solution designed for home and small office use. It offers full functionality with print, scan, copy, and fax capabilities, along with wireless connectivity that allows easy printing from smartphones, tablets, and laptops. One of its standout features is the Incavescent Tank system, which provides high-capacity ink cartridges and up to 1 year of ink included in the box, helping reduce frequent replacements and overall printing costs. The printer also supports automatic duplex printing for added convenience and paper savings, while its compact design fits neatly into most workspaces. With Amazon Dash replenishment enabled, it can automatically reorder ink when levels are low, ensuring uninterrupted productivity. Number 5. Epson Workforce WF7720. The Epson Workforce WF7720 wireless wide format color inkjet printer is a powerful all-in-one device designed for high-volume and large-format printing needs, supporting sizes up to 13x19. It offers print, scan, copy, and fax capabilities, making it ideal for offices, small businesses, and creative professionals who require versatility and efficiency. Equipped with precision core technology, it delivers sharp text and vibrant color output, while dual paper trays provide increased capacity and better workflow management. With wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi Direct, and Ethernet support, you can easily print from multiple devices without needing a direct connection. The printer also features automatic two-sided printing, scanning, copying, and faxing for added convenience. Additionally, Amazon Dash replenishment ensures ink is automatically reordered when running low, helping maintain uninterrupted productivity.